Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video almost exactly like this, but while it's still loading, I thought I'd go ahead and throw this in. If you have a measurement here with your parallel dimension tool of 4.61 and you wanted to move this edge down 1 inch, just go and change your nudge distance to 1 inch. Get your shaping tool and click on your item and then select both these and go down, and now it's 5.61. Well, let's say we want to make it 5. We'll just change your nudge factor to 0.61. Grab your shape tool, click on your item, select those, and move it up, and it'll move it that 0.61 of an inch, making it 5 inches. So that could be very helpful if you were drawing something like this and you wanted it 5 inches. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.